Gardening enthusiasts, gather round. Let's delve into the fascinating world of worm castings, often dubbed as black gold. These little wonders are worm poop, digested remains of organic matter. Worm castings are a powerhouse of plant nutrients and beneficial microorganisms. Imagine tiny alchemists transforming kitchen scraps into a magical elixir for plants. They consume organic matter and excrete nutrient-rich castings. These castings are chock full of essential plant nutrients. Worm castings also boast beneficial bacteria and fungi. These helpers improve soil structure and suppress plant diseases. They create a thriving ecosystem, fostering healthy plant growth. Think of it as giving your plants a probiotic boost. Incorporating worm castings can significantly impact your plant's health. Get ready to witness the magic unfold. Collecting worm castings is simple and rewarding. It's like reaping the bounty of your miniature ecosystem. Harvest when the bin is mostly full of castings. Use light to lure worms down. Scoop and sift the top layer. Return sifted material to the bin. Add fresh bedding and food scraps. Worm castings are more than just decomposed organic matter. They are teeming with life and possess unique properties that set them apart as a superior soil amendment. Let's delve into the science behind their magic. Firstly, worm castings are rich in humic acid, a complex organic compound that improves soil structure and water retention. Humic acid acts as a glue, binding soil particles together to create larger aggregates, which improves drainage and aeration. This means your plant's roots can breathe easier and access water more efficiently. Furthermore, worm castings contain a diverse array of beneficial microorganisms, including bacteria, fungi, and protozoa. These tiny helpers break down organic matter into plant-available nutrients, enhance nutrient cycling, and suppress plant diseases. They create a symbiotic relationship with plant roots, promoting healthy growth and resilience. Moreover, worm castings boast a balanced pH, making them suitable for various plant types. They are also naturally slow-releasing, providing a steady supply of nutrients to your plants over time. This eliminates the risk of nutrient burn, which can occur with synthetic fertilizers. In essence, worm castings are like a multivitamin for your soil, providing a comprehensive blend of nutrients, beneficial microorganisms, and soil-improving properties. They are a testament to nature's remarkable ability to transform waste into a valuable resource. Section 4. Garden Gold Practical Ways to Use Worm Castings for Thriving Plants. Now that you've discovered the treasure trove of benefits worm castings offer, let's explore practical ways to incorporate them into your gardening routine. There are several methods to choose from, each catering to different needs and preferences. First, soil amendment. One of the simplest and most effective ways to use worm castings is as a soil amendment. Mix a handful of castings per square foot into your garden beds before planting. This will boost soil fertility, improve drainage, and create a welcoming environment for your plant's roots to thrive. Next, potting mix powerhouse. For container gardening, add worm castings to your potting mix at a ratio of 1:4. This will provide a slow-release source of nutrients, improve drainage, and create a healthy environment for your potted plants. Then, seed starting success. Give your seedlings a head start by mixing a small amount of worm castings into your seed starting mix. The gentle nutrients and beneficial microorganisms will promote healthy root development and vigorous growth. Finally, top dressing treat. Sprinkle a thin layer of worm castings around the base of your established plants as a top dressing. Water it in well, and the nutrients will slowly seep into the soil, providing a gentle boost to your plants. Section 5. Brewing Plant. Elixir. The art of making and using worm tea. Worm tea, a potent liquid fertilizer, takes the benefits of worm castings to the next level. This nutrient-rich brew is teeming with beneficial microorganisms, ready to supercharge your plant's growth and health. Making worm tea is as simple as steeping worm castings in water, like brewing a cup of tea for your garden. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, gather your gear. You'll need a bucket, an aquarium air pump, an air stone, some non-chlorinated water, and of course your precious worm castings. Next, the brewing process. Fill the bucket with water, ensuring it's dechlorinated. Add worm castings to the water at a ratio of 1 cup of castings per gallon of water. Place the air stone at the bottom of the bucket and connect it to the air pump. Turn on the air pump to aerate the mixture, then steep and strain. Allow the mixture to steep for 24 to 48 hours, keeping the air pump running throughout the process. After steeping, strain the tea through a cheesecloth or fine mesh sieve to remove the solids. Finally, apply and enjoy. Dilute the worm tea with water at a ratio of 1 to 10 before applying it to your plants. You can use it as a soil drench, foliar spray, or even add it to your watering can. Section 6. A Garden Symphony. Witnessing the holistic benefits of worm castings. The beauty of using worm castings extends beyond individual plant benefits. It's about nurturing a thriving ecosystem in your garden, where soil health, plant vitality, and environmental sustainability intertwine harmoniously. When you incorporate worm castings into your gardening practices, you're essentially replicating nature's own recycling system. You're transforming organic waste into a valuable resource that enriches the soil, feeds beneficial organisms, and promotes healthy plant growth. The use of worm castings also reduces the need for synthetic fertilizers and pesticides, which can harm beneficial insects, pollute waterways, and disrupt the natural balance of your garden ecosystem. By choosing worm castings, you're opting for a sustainable and eco-friendly approach to gardening. Moreover, the benefits of using worm castings extend beyond your garden. By composting food scraps and yard waste with the help of worms, you're diverting organic matter from landfills, reducing methane emissions, and contributing to a healthier planet. Section 7. Join the movement. Embrace the worm casting revolution. Embracing worm castings is more than just adopting a gardening technique. It's about joining a movement towards sustainable living and mindful consumption. It's about recognizing the interconnectedness of nature and understanding that even the smallest creatures can have a profound impact on our environment. Start small. Set up a worm bin in your backyard or even under your kitchen sink. Experience the joy of transforming kitchen scraps into black gold. Observe the fascinating world of earthworms as they diligently work their magic, and witness firsthand the transformative power of worm castings on your plants and your garden. Share your experiences with friends and family. Spread the word about the wonders of worm castings and encourage others to join the movement. Together, we can create a ripple effect, fostering healthier gardens, healthier communities, and a healthier planet, one worm casting at a time.